Welcome guys, so today I'm gonna show you how we can power on and power off Tozo T10. So in the most cases, when you open the case and just remove them from the case, they will be turned on automatically. And the same when you put them back, they will be turned off. Okay, but actually right now it's not working. Maybe I'm gonna close the case. Okay, still not working, so that's nice that this happens on the video, because I can show you how to fix it. So if you want to turn them off manually, just grab them like that, click and hold right here and wait until these both indicators blinks on the red. Right now we can release. As you can see, that's how we can power them off. To turn them on, just click and hold right now in the same place until indicator blinks on the blue. And now we can release. As you can see, they are turned on. So yeah, that's how we can power on and power off these earbuds manually. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.